Now students, we are going to solve the subtraction of two rational numbers. So I have taken the question number 2, 7, number problem minus 32 by 13 from minus 6 by 5. So first we will write this like that. Minus 6 by 5 we will take first, minus 32 upon 13. Now we will find the LCM. So LCM is 13 5s are 65. Now we will solve by multiplying two rational number by to get the denominator 65, and here is also. So I will multiply by 13 and here 5. So I would get minus 78 upon 65, minus plus 160 upon 65. Now I can take common denominator. Right? So I have written here minus 78 plus 160 upon 65. Now add this. So there is a subtraction of 78 from the 160. The answer will be 82 by 65. And if you convert this 65 then 60 into mixed fraction, then 82 by 65 becomes 1. Then remaining is 17 upon 65. Now we will take the question number 4, as the question number 3 is same like question number 2. So here we have to subtract the sum of 36 by minus 36 by 11 and 49 by 22 from 33 by 8 and 19 by 4. So first I will take one by one. So I will take 33 by 8 plus 19 by 4. So what is the LCM? So LCM is 8. So I will multiply 4 by 2 and here as it is 8. Now I will write 33 and this is minus 9. So minus 38 upon 8. So minus 38 and 33, that is minus 5 by 8. Now take the another one, minus 36 upon 11 plus 49 upon 22. So LCM is 22. So minus 36 into and 11 into. So 11 2s are 22. So I have multiplied by 2 and here 49 by 22 as it is. Now write 22 common. Now minus 72 plus 49. Now what is the answer? So the answer becomes the subtraction of 72 and 49, and that would be 23 minus 23. Now we will take this both subtraction, right? So I will do that. How we can do that? So I will take first minus 5 by 8, then again minus, then minus 23 upon 22. Now we will take the LCM. So their LCM is 88, right? So I will write here 5 by 8 plus minus minus plus 23 into 22 into. Now we have to multiply by 11 here and here 4s are. So 11 5s are minus 55 upon 88 plus 23. 23 4s are 92 upon 88. Now minus 55 plus 92 upon 88. So what is the answer? So answer becomes 37 by 88. In this way we can solve question number 4. Now let's solve question number 5. The sum of two rational numbers is 4 by 21. It means that sum of two rational number is 4 by 21. I don't know which of them, which are the two rational numbers. So one of them is 5 by 7. So I will write 5 by 7. And here I don't know, so I will take x. Now we will shift this 5 by 7 toward the right side. So 4 by 21 and 5 by 7, now it is positive, and after going toward right side it becomes negative. Now take the LCM. What is the LCM? 21. So 4 by 21 as it is minus 5 by 7. Now I will multiply by 3 here. Now I got 4 minus 15 upon 21. Now 15 minus 4, 11, the sign of greater value 11 by 21 is the final answer. That is the value of x. So another number is minus 11 by 21. So in this way you can solve the 6, 7, 8, right?